Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. How to replace a transfer case shift motor in 6 easy steps. Replacing a transfer case shift motor is a common yet crucial task for maintaining the functionality of your vehicle. If you've noticed issues with shifting gears or engaging four-wheel drive, it might be time to address this component. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps involved in replacing a transfer case shift motor, helping you understand the process from start to finish. The transfer case shift motor plays a vital role in seamlessly transitioning between different driving modes in your vehicle. By identifying and addressing any malfunctions promptly, you can ensure smooth and reliable performance on the road. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a DIY beginner, this video will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to tackle this project effectively. Throughout this video, we'll outline the essential tools needed, provide step-by-step instructions, and offer tips to simplify the replacement process. Understanding the inner workings of your vehicle and learning to perform basic maintenance tasks can save you time and money in the long run. By taking on this project yourself, you'll not only enhance your automotive skills but also enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done. What is a transfer case shift motor? A transfer case shift motor is a vital component in a vehicle's drivetrain system that plays a crucial role in shifting between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive modes. Let's delve into the functionality of a transfer case shift motor and explore the common signs that indicate a faulty motor. Functionality of a transfer case shift motor. The transfer case shift motor serves as the mechanism responsible for engaging or disengaging the four-wheel drive mode in a vehicle. When you engage in four-wheel drive, the transfer case shift motor activates, allowing power to be distributed evenly to all four wheels, providing enhanced traction and stability, especially in challenging road conditions like snow, mud, or uneven terrains. This component works hand in hand with the transfer case itself, which is essential for torque distribution between the front and rear axles. When you switch between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive modes, the transfer case shift motor is instrumental in ensuring a seamless transition, allowing your vehicle to adapt to various driving conditions effortlessly. Common signs of a faulty transfer case shift motor. 1. Difficulty in shifting between drive modes. One of the most common signs of a faulty transfer case shift motor is experiencing difficulty when trying to shift between two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive modes. If you notice resistance or inability to switch drive modes smoothly, it could indicate a problem with the shift motor. 2. Unusual grinding or clicking noises. A malfunctioning transfer case shift motor may produce strange grinding or clicking noises when engaging four-wheel drive. These sounds can be a result of internal components not aligning correctly, highlighting a potential issue with the motor. 3. Dashboard warning lights. Keep an eye on your dashboard warning lights. If the indicator light for the four-wheel drive system remains illuminated or flashes intermittently, it could be a warning sign of a malfunctioning transfer case shift motor that requires attention. 4. Inconsistent four-wheel drive activation. When the transfer case shift motor fails, you may experience inconsistencies in the activation of the four-wheel drive mode. Your vehicle might struggle to maintain four-wheel drive operation or might engage and disengage unexpectedly, indicating a problem with the shift motor. By paying attention to these common signs, you can address potential issues with your transfer case shift motor promptly to ensure optimal performance and safety on the road. Diagnosing transfer case shift motor issues. Diagnosing problems with your transfer case shift motor is crucial to ensuring your vehicle functions properly. By following a few simple steps, you can identify if the issue lies with the shift motor itself. Let's dive into the tools needed for diagnosis and the steps to pinpoint a faulty transfer case shift motor. Tools needed for diagnosis. 1. Multimeter. This tool will help you test the electrical components of the shift motor. 2. Socket set. Necessary for accessing and removing the shift motor from the transfer case. 3. Jack and jack stands. These will assist in safely raising and securing your vehicle for inspection. 4. Safety gear. Always wear gloves and safety goggles to protect yourself during diagnosis procedures. Steps to diagnose a faulty transfer case shift motor. 1. Locate the transfer case shift motor. Depending on your vehicle, the shift motor is typically found on the transfer case itself. 2. Inspect for physical damage. Check for any visible signs of damage such as broken wires, loose connections, or corrosion on the motor. 3. Test the electrical connections. Use the multimeter to test the electrical continuity between the motor and the vehicle's electrical system. Ensure there is proper voltage reaching the motor. 4. Check shift motor response. Engage the vehicle's four-wheel drive system and listen for any unusual noises coming from the transfer case shift motor. Note any issues with engaging or disengaging four-wheel drive. 5. Inspect shift motor operation. With the vehicle safely raised and supported, engage the four-wheel drive system and observe the shift motor's operation. Look for any hesitation or failure in shifting between modes. 6. Record findings. Keep detailed notes of your observations and test results for future reference and repair purposes. By following these steps and utilizing the necessary tools, you can effectively diagnose issues with your transfer case shift motor. Remember to prioritize safety throughout the diagnosis process and seek professional assistance if needed for repairs beyond your expertise. That concludes part 1 of our guide on replacing a transfer case shift motor. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll explain how to install the new shift motor and ensure proper functionality. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.